Welcome student in first session from your textbook chapter number 5, coal and petroleum. Okay, this coal and petroleum, these are the natural resources. Okay, anything in the environment which can be used is called a natural resource. Means environment से जब जो कुछ भी चीज़ें आप use करते हो, that is what natural resource. Some of our important natural resources are forest and wildlife, water, air, soil, mineral, coal and petroleum. So in this chapter we study about the coal and petroleum. These are natural resources. Okay, so natural resources provide us energy. Natural resources क्या provide करते हैं? Energy, such as coal and petrol etc. So coal and petroleum are called fossil fuel. They are important source of energy for us. So now types of natural resources. There is two kinds of natural resources. Okay, inexhaustible and exhaustible, or another word we can say that renewable and non-renewable. Okay, so inexhaustible natural resource means these sources are present in unlimited quantity in nature. Means this inexhaustible natural resources are present in unlimited quantity. means इनकी quantity का कोई भी limitation नहीं है and are not likely to be exhausted. और ये जल्दी मीन्स ख़त्म एग्जॉस्ट नहीं होते बाय ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़. मीन्स जितना भी आप ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़ या जितना भी हम लोग कंज्यूम करते फिर भी ये रिसोर्स एग्जॉस्ट नहीं होते. क्लियर. सो फॉर एग्जांपल एयर, वाटर, सोलर एनर्जी. आपने देखा एयर. ओके, एयर इज़ व्हाट मीन्स दैट वी कैन ब्रीथ. ओके, इन विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस एयर. So air is everywhere. We are continuously using this air source, water source and solar energy. So those sources are present in unlimited quantity in nature and are not likely to be exhausted by human activities. So that are called inexhaustible resources. Okay, now exhaustible natural resource. The amount of these resources इन नेचर इज़ लिमिटेड. ये कैसे सोर्सेज है? लिमिटेड है. ओके, दे कैन बी एग्जॉस्टेड बाय ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज. मीन्स अगर ह्यूमन बींग्स जो कंज्यूम करते हैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा और कंजप्शन करते हैं तो ये कैसे हो जाएंगे? एग्जॉस्ट हो जाएंगे. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल दैट रिसोर्सेज आर फॉरेस्ट एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ, minerals, coal, petroleum and natural gas. So these are what? Exhaustible natural resources. Means they easily exhaust if we continuously used. Okay, and the renewable resources such as underground water, forest and wildlife, if not managed properly can become non-renewable. मीन्स जो renewable source है उसको भी अगर आप प्रॉपरली मीन्स यूज़ नहीं करोगे, प्रॉपरली उसका मैनेजमेंट नहीं करेंगे, देन दे कैन ऑल्सो exhaust. Okay, means they if not managed properly can become non-renewable sources. Now next, fossil fuels. Okay, it is formed when dead biomass of plant and animals buried deep under the earth millions of years ago and due to high pressure and temperature. Okay, means there is a dead बायोमास. बायो मीन्स दैट लिविंग का जो बायोमास रहता है, दैट इज प्लांट और एनिमल्स उनका. सो दे गॉट बरीड अंडर द अर्थ. ओके, एंड देयर मीन्स दैट देयर विल बी हाई प्रेशर एंड टेम्परेचर. ड्यू टू दैट millions of years they got buried under the earth, so they got transferred into fossil fuel. Means that coal and petroleum and natural gas are fossil fuels. We obtain coal from the coal mines dug into the earth, and petroleum is obtained by digging oil wells deep in the earth. So these are fossil fuels. Okay, clear this one. So आपने यहीं पे देखा कि उसको फार्म होने के लिए कितने टाइम लगता है? millions of years ago. Okay, they got buried and due to that high pressure and temperature they got transferred into that fossil fuel. Now first we study about the coal. Coal is a sedimentary rock that burns. Okay, it mainly contains carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So coal, this is a kind of that rock, and it burns and mainly contains carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. It also has some quantity of nitrogen and sulfur. Coal is black in color. Coal is one of the fuel used to cook food. Means coal is black in color, it means because there is a carbon is present, so that's why that's color is what, black. So coal is one of the fuel used to cook food, and it was used in railway engines to produce the steam to run the engines. It is also used in thermal power plants to produce the electricity. Means these are the uses of that coal. It is used as a fuel in various industries also. Clear? So what is the means that coal, story of coal. About 300 million years ago, the earth had dense forest in low lying that wetland areas due to natural resources like due to that natural processes, okay, like flooding. These forests got buried under the soil as more soil deposited over them. फिर वो मीन्स buried हो गए और फिर ज़्यादा से सॉइल उसके ऊपर डिपॉजिट होते, दे वेयर कंप्रेस्ड, फिर उसमें क्या हो गया, कंप्रेशन हो गया. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कंप्रेशन they converted, okay, the temperature also rose as they sank deeper and deeper. आपको पता है अर्थ के आप जितने अंदर इनसाइड डिपर एंड डिपर जाते हैं तो वहाँ का टेम्परेचर कैसा रहता है, हाई रहता है, तो टेम्परेचर भी रोज होता गया एंड दैट कंप्रेशन इज ऑल्सो देयर. सो अंडर हाई प्रेशर एंड high temperature, so dead plants got slowly converted into coal. So as coal contains mainly carbon, the slow process of conversion of dead vegetation to coal is called the carbonization. So since it was formed from the remains of vegetation, coal is also called a fossil fuel. Clear this one? And we already studied there is a uses. Now different types of coals are there: peat, lignite, bituminous and anthracite. मीन्स ये कोल डिफरेंट टाइप्स के इसलिए क्योंकि इनमें प्रेजेंस ऑफ कार्बन, ओके, नंबर ऑफ कार्बन, परसेंटेज ऑफ कार्बन्स आर डिफरेंट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज दैट, so because of that presence of carbon percentage, peat, lignite, bituminous and anthracite, okay, anthracite, these are the types of coal. Now coal is processed in industry to get the some useful products such as coke, कोल टार एंड कोल गैस. मीन्स कोल को प्रोसेस्ड किया जाता है इंडस्ट्रीज़ में और उससे कुछ डेरिवेटिव्स के प्रोडक्ट्स फार्म होते हैं, कोक, कोल टार एंड कोल गैस. सो फर्स्ट वी स्टडी अबाउट द कोक. Coke, it is a tough, porous and black substances, okay, it is almost a pure form of carbon. So coke is used in the manufacture of steel and in the extraction of many metals. मीन्स कोक का यूज़ कहाँ किया जाता है, मैन्युफैक्चर ऑफ स्टील्स एंड एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ मैनी. नाउ कोल टार, इट इज़ ब्लैक थिक लिक्विड विथ एन अनप्लीजेंट स्मेल. इट इज़ अ मिक्सचर ऑफ अबाउट 200 सब्सटेंसेस, ओके, मीन्स इसमें 200 सब्सटेंस मिक्स होते हैं. सो कोल टार आर यूज्ड एज स्टार्टिंग मटेरियल फॉर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग वेरियस सब्सटेंसेस यूज्ड इन एवरीडे लाइफ. कोल टार इन हिंदी वी कैन से डामर, ओके, जैसे डामर का जो रोड आपने देखा होगा उसमें मीन्स 200 सब्सटेंस. इवन दैट पॉलीथीन ऑल्सो बर्न एंड गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू दैट कोल टार लाइक, ओके. सो दैट various substances used in everyday life and in industries like synthetic dyes, drugs, explosive, and that perfume, plastic, pants and roofing material, etc. These are also that prepared by using the coal tar, okay, and that manufacturing that road also. Now coal gas, it is a mixture of hydrogen, methane and carbon monoxide. ऑल दिस गैसेस प्रोवाइड हीट व्हेन बर्न. मीन्स जब भी अपन इसको कोल को अपन मीन्स हीट करते तो क्या प्रोवाइड करती है, गैसेस, हाइड्रोजन, मैथेन, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, ओके, तो गैसेस प्रोवाइड करती है. इट इज़ अ गुड फ्यूल फॉर कुकिंग फूड. सो दैट्स वाई इट इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड दैट कुकिंग गैस, ओके. Coal gas was used for street lighting for the first time in London in 1810 and in New York around 1820. Nowadays it is used as a source of heat rather than light. Okay, so that it is used as a fuel in many industries situated near the coal processing plant. Clear this one? So these are the derivative product of that coal, that coke, coal tar and coal gas. Now petroleum. What is petroleum? So that petroleum means now next one is petroleum. Petroleum was formed from organism living in sea. As these organisms died, their bodies settled at the bottom of the sea. मीन्स जो एक्वेटिक एनिमल जो सी में रहते हैं, ऑर्गेनिज्म बहुत सारे, जब वो मर जाते हैं तो उनकी बॉडी क्या होती है कि सेटल हो जाती है, ओके, एट द बॉटम ऑफ द सी एंड गॉट कवर्ड विथ लेयर ऑफ सैंड, और फिर उसके ऊपर सैंड और क्ले की लेयर डिपॉजिट होती जाती है. Over millions of the years, absence of air, high temperature and high pressure transform the dead organism into petroleum and natural gas. Okay. So about that means you know that petrol is used as a fuel in light automobiles. Okay. Such as motorcycle, scooter and cars. So heavy vehicles like trucks and tractors run on diesel. Petrol and diesel are obtained from a natural resources called that petroleum. Okay, so the word petroleum is derived from the petra. Petra means what? Rock, and oleum means oil. Means oil, as it is mined from between the rock under the earth, as shown in that figure. Okay, देखो ये रॉक के बीच में मीन्स ये ऑयल वेल रहता है, ऑयल फील्ड विथ नेचुरल गैस. सो दिस इज द डिपॉजिटेड ऑफ दैट पेट्रोलियम एंड इन दिस natural gas is also deposited, okay, in between the rocks. Here is sedimentary rock and this is what? Source rock and impermeable rock. Clear? So petroleum was formed from the organism living in the sea. Clear? ये तो आपको बता ही दिया है. So that deposited of petroleum and natural gas, you see that the layer containing petroleum oil and gas is above that of the water. मीन्स ये वाटर के एबो, ठीक है, ये क्या है? वाटर के एबो मीन्स ये लेयर डिपोजिट होती है. सो दैट ऑयल एंड गैस आर लाइटर देन वाटर एंड डू नॉट मिक्स विथ इट. सो द वर्ल्ड फर्स्ट ऑयल वेल वॉज ड्रिल्ड इन दैट USA in 1859. 8 years later in 1867 oil was struck at in Assam. Okay, in Assam. In India, oil is found in Assam, Gujarat, Mumbai, High and in the river basins of that Godavari and Krishna. Clear? So